Hello, Oklahoma County. What's the latest housing data for Edmond, Oklahoma City, and Choctaw? The first day of summer is this week, and we just celebrated Father's Day, and the Oklahoma City Thunder are in the middle of a championship run. It is definitely June in Oklahoma. I pulled the May real estate data for Edmond, Oklahoma City, and Choctaw, so let's see what the market is up to in those cities. Hi, I'm Jim Black. I'm with eXp Realty. What has happened in Edmond, Oklahoma across the 5 zip codes in the month of May? There were 539 new listings, 347 pending sales, and 352 sold homes. The median price was $386,170, and the average sold price was $468,797, and they're on the market an average of 42 days. Inventory in May rose by nearly 51.6% to 1,028 homes, and Edmond has 3.5 months of inventory, rising 40% compared to the same time frame in 24. In Oklahoma City, across all the zip codes, we have 889 new listings, 559 pending sales, and 552 homes sold in May, spending an average of 35 days on the market. Homes in OKC had a median sale price of $245,000 and the average sold price of $301,732. Inventory rose in May by 61.2% to 1,559 homes, and OKC has 3.2 months supply of inventory, rising 45.5% compared to the same time from 24. Finally, let's look at Choctaw. We have 49 new listings, 31 pending sales, and 21 sold homes. The median price was $355,000 and the average sale price of $353,120. Inventory rose by 28.4% to 104 homes, and Choctaw has 3.8 months supply of inventory, rising by 26.7% compared to the same time frame in 24. Overall, houses are selling in each city, but a bit slower than 24, as evident by the increase in days on market. Another item each city has in common is the rising inventory levels and the month supply of inventory. It is very common for the inventory level to rise over the spring and summer months, but what is interesting to me is the data is showing that there are more homes on the market unsold than last year. We have been pretty firm and been in a seller's market for some time, and these numbers are definitely trending to a more, let's say, balanced market. Maybe not quite a buyer's market, but more balanced. So sellers, really sit down with your favorite realtor and make sure you list your home competitively up front if you need to sell quickly, especially. Buyers, homes are still selling relatively fast, so if you don't have your financing lined up and understood, you may miss out on your favorite home. One final thing, please be very careful to assume you know what is going on in the marketplace without consulting with a realtor. And it doesn't have to be me, just someone you know, like, and trust. Data is too location and even neighborhood specific just to wing it and buy a home. I'd be honored if you reach out to me, but more importantly, at least sit down with someone you know that has all the information you need to make an informed decision. I'm Jim Black. I'm with eXp Realty, where serving is my way of selling.